Okay, so we discussed this topology, and this video we're going to configure user and computer templates. Okay, so how we can create user and computer template. So first we need to go to our certificate authority which we configured previously. Okay, and when we open this one, we need to go to certificate template. We need to click our certificate authority. Then you need to click on certificate template, then go to manage. It will open a new window, and that window you need to duplicate, means you need to create a copy of two things. One is user template, and you need to change few things which I will show you. And second one is workstation. I believe it's here. Second one is workstation. So again we will go to certificate template, it will open, and then workstation authentication. We need to duplicate this one, and we need to change few things, because one template is for user authentication and second template we need for computer authentication. So this what we need to do. Okay, and finally we need to push the certificate. So this is the way. Let's go back and let me log into my Active Directory. This one, sorry, certificate authority, which is Active Directory as well, by the way. 230. So I already take 230 remote desktop. Okay, so what you're going to do, go to tool, and here is certificate authority. Click here, and when you click certificate authority, click on this one. In my case, test is the domain name. Double click, and last one there is certificate template. Click on this one. So certificate template, right click here and click manage. Not these one, by the way. This one, right click and manage. It will open a new window, and this window I need two things. First, user. So there is a user template available. So right click on this one and duplicate template. Okay, go to journal tab and change the name. So in my case, I will give a name user certificate. So this is the name I give them. This the valid period. It's okay, leave it. Renewal period, no, don't need to do anything. Okay, here let's go to second thing, security tab here. And security tab, because this for user, so I need to choose a domain user. Click on domain user and click auto enrollment and read. These two things you need to click. So it's done. You provide them security, and then go to subject name. So subject name, leave it default one, but uncheck email because we don't have email in Active Directory. So what I'm going to do, uncheck email name. If you want, you can click DNS name as well. Let me go. I believe I did not click DNS name. So let's go to duplicate. It's here, and we done this one. Yes, no need of DNS, and uncheck email. In my case, because I don't have email, user email, in Active Directory. So uncheck this one, and it's done, I believe. Next thing which we need to do, extension. Go to extension, this tab, and here click on edit. Client authentication is there. You need to choose server authentication as well, this one, and okay. So server authentication is added. Extension is done. Next thing, no need of this one, no need request handling. Okay, and let me go back. If I choose anything, yeah, this one is done, and that's it. That's the only thing we need to do to create our new template. What else? Extension is okay. Key, let me show you. If I miss something, no. And that's it. Server, no need. And this the subject name which this the most important. If you put there an email, then it's okay, no need of even changing this one. And extension, we put a server. And what else we change? And journal, we just give them a new name. Yeah, you can keep them the same as well if you want. And what else? An extension, and that's it. So this the user certificate is ready, and apply and okay. So this one is done. Second thing I need for computer authentication. For that one you need to go to workstation authentication. Right click and duplicate template. Go to journal again and let's change the name to workstation certificate. So this is my new name. And what else? Extension. Again, if you want, you can put a server authentication and okay. Next thing, go to security. This time, because it's a computer one, so you need to click domain computer and click auto enrollment and read, allow them read so they can read the certificate. And subject name, it's okay, DNS, but use this one, user principal name. This is an Active Directory, I will show you. So click this one, okay, and leave it this default one, and that's it. Let me go back and check. So if I go to computer, so you need to click again here and workstation, duplicate, change the name, and then domain computer, read, enroll and auto. And what else? Subject name, you need to choose user principal name, and that's it. So it's correct, and apply and okay. So my two new certificate are ready, workstation and user. Close this window. So when you come back, so it's not available here. So what you need to do, click on certificate template, new, and certificate template issue, and choose those two certificates which we just created. So one is workstation and other is user. With control key, so you can select both user and workstation and okay. So now it will be available here. Here is workstation certificate and user certificate. So it's available here, and click close now. That's it. So our certificates are ready. This the way how we can create templates. One for computer and second one is for user. So we create two template. Already is available. We just copy and we just change few things. So this is the first step you need to do. So we are done with this step. Okay. And next step we will create a GPU. Okay.